I'll just shoot an intro just in case. Alright, what's good? Welcome to my new vlog. Today we are at the airport trying to leave to Bhubaneswar. I'm going to Bhubaneswar for my senior nationals. The one that I spoke about in my previous video. Where I went 110-meter hurdles. Trying to show you guys what goes behind the senior national. Like तुम लोग रेस के वीडियोस देखते हो, बट रेस के पीछे, रेस के बाद, रेस के टाइम पे ये सब तो तुमको नहीं पता ना भाई. तुमको कौन बताएगा? मैं बताऊँ. So keep watching, stay tuned. How does that look? Oh shit, that's pretty sick. I really want to have like a good coffee, but I don't know, I just feel like I might get really dehydrated. My mind is asking for some, but my body, I know my body doesn't need that caffeine. If I genuinely talk about what I feel like I have in mind for this match is giving it all in. Just really gonna go all in. Chill. Putting months of training into one single match, and all this time you don't have anything to do except just wait till you reach that match is happening and just perform. तब तक क्या भाई, कुछ नहीं करना है तब तक. On top of that, you have to keep yourself calm, keep your mind calm, keep setting that. अगर if you're watching this vlog currently, listen to me. Listen. Just record yourself talking. Never know where it might help you. I'm sure it helps you gain confidence. It helps your public speaking. Definitely increases your speech skills, yeah? And social media is the future. You have to invest in social media. This is investing. Let's see where this goes. If you have faith in yourself that yes, I can try to put myself on social media, please just go for it, bhai. तुमको अंदाजा भी नहीं है the places it will take you. See, this is what happens when you travel alone. अभी जिधर मैं बैठा था उधर there was a magnetic phone holder जो मैंने लगा के रखा था. मैं वो वही छोड़ा है. Now I'm going back to that stand. भाई मैं भूल गया मैं कहाँ बैठा था. हाँ, wow, it's way ahead. हाँ, Ariana. Found it. This is a very useful thing, right? I'll show you the use. Wait. This has vacuum, so it just sticks to any glass surface, and you have to rotate this. And it's done. And this is MagSafe, so it directly attaches to your iPhone. This is not sponsored, so I won't tell you what this brand is, but you can just type in magnetic phone holder on like Amazon or try and check them out. This is really useful. You don't need a fucking tripod to carry everywhere you go, and this is just so handy, bro. Like,
bitches, we the best music. Another one, yeah. DJ Khaled. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Hey, shorty with the long text, I don't talk. Ay. Shorty with the long legs, she don't walk. Yeah.
I directly came to the track from the airport, but I'm just really excited to see the track. And I'll find some hotels nearby later once I see the track.
I want this drink and another one, yeah. And I'm troublesome, yeah. I'm a pop star, but this shit ain't bubble gum, yeah. You would probably think my manager.
My first view at the track now. You're gonna see it live.
Yeah. Hey, look.
I was gonna trip. Holy shit. भाई गिरते गिरते बचाओ, बट गिरा नहीं. I've got balance. That's how you know I'm prepared. Anyways.
I swear I got the bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor. Bitches calling my phone like I'm locked up non-stop. From the plane to the fucking helicopter, yeah. Cops pulling up like I'm giving drugs, nah. I'm a pop star, not a doctor.
Alright, chest number is taken. Now I'm gonna head and do some warm up. I'm gonna meet some fellow hurdlers. The track feels amazing. Like the quality. So
too much smoky coming like Canada. Got kush smoke hard in my lungs. I'm running from proper, I'm lacking the stamina. I'm whipping it smart and knocks in the air, but we gonna come fuck with a canister. No days off, I was plotting with nothing. I'm money all over my calendar. In this game of life, you're an amateur. I'm an activist, free bells and the whoops of an activist. Said I quit for the beat, but I'm back to this. I got told off once and he slapped me wrist. I don't listen, I don't learn, I don't follow anyone's words. This jab is smoking, my caddy's potent. I'm steady sipping on dirt. I'm a stockpiler, got a top driver. Big chain bust down like a Rottweiler. I'm a stockpiler, got a top driver. Big chain bust down like a Rottweiler.
I know. I saw your first vlog.
you did?
Yeah,
You saw the whole vlog?
Yeah.
No way, my man, bro. So we have our man Maddie. What do they call you? They call you Maddie?
Yeah.
They call him Maddie, bro. Madhvendra, how many senior nationals have you played till now?
Many. I think 5 or 6.
No way. Like senior national, not just Indian series. I'm asking about particularly senior nationals.
Yeah, I think so.
It's been 6 years. How old are you?
No. I'm running like from like since I was 16. Like
Senior nationals you're running since you were 16, bro. What the fuck are you saying?
no, I'm saying
Bhai.
like 3 years.
So this is your third one, or this is your fourth one?
Fourth one.
That's
I think.
insane.
Yeah. In 2022, I ran my first one.
Okay. This is my first senior national. Yeah.
Oh.
What is one tip that you would like to give me?
Just go and do your shit. Like I would say, like just don't focus on anyone. Give your all. Like anything can happen in hurdles. Like anything.
That's like my main goal for every match. But what different should I do for this one?
I would say like just don't do anything different. Like just be yourself. Like just be you, and like what you used to do in juniors, just do the same thing. Like it's nothing different. Like nothing.
Okay.
Maybe much better than that. Like it's just how much you believe in yourself, and just go and do it. Like man.
That's true. Let's go, man. That's a high chance of getting my PB here.
Yeah, for sure, for
Insane.
sure.
Let's go.
My goal is to just hit my PR and just do my complete my race.
And what is your PR?
7-0.
And your targeting?
I'm not doing anything. Like, I was just working like from last 2 years on it. Like maybe it's all about like we can just do our process. Like results are not on us. तू बस तेरा बेस्ट दे सकता है. तू बस ये कर सकता है कि तू बस एक मतलब अपन कह सकते हैं कि अपन कठपुतली कहते हैं ना कि भगवान अपन को चला रहे हैं बस.
राइट.
तू यहाँ तक पहुँचा किसी रीजन की वजह से पहुँचा है.
सही बात है.
और अगर तेरे को यहाँ पे भेजा है भगवान ने इसी साल और तू पर्सनल बेस्ट लगाते हुए आ रहा है तो तू वापस भाग सकता है भाई. तू कोई भी टाइम भाग सकता है. मेरे माइंड में ये था कि बस हार नहीं है भाई. मतलब बस वो माइंड सेट रखना कि भाई मेरे को अपनी रेस एंड तक किसी को देनी ही नहीं है. चाहे मेरे को साइड में हो चाहे यहाँ पे हो. लास्ट 2 हर्डल्स कोई भी चेंज कर सकता है. अगर तू तेरे मोमेंटम में रहेगा ना, अगर तू मोमेंटम नहीं तोड़ेगा तो तू रेस ले जाएगा. और तेरे को किसी और से फाइट लेने की जरूरत ही नहीं भाई. सही बात. सबकी अपनी अपनी हर्डल्स है यार. और कभी भी अपने रिजल्ट से अपने डिसाइड मत करना कि तू प्रोग्रेस कर रहा है नहीं कर रहा. तू हेल्दी है, तू कुछ ना कुछ न्यू सीख रहा है, तू जूनियर से सीनियर में है भाई. मतलब बहुत माइंड पे इफेक्ट पड़ता है यार एक बार के लिए. तेरा एंड तक तेरा दिमाग ऐसे रहेगा कि भाई मैं कर सकता हूँ. एंड तक बस हार मत मान.
ठीक है.
बस तेरे माइंड में होना चाहिए कि भाई मैं आज करूँगा. मेरे को यहाँ भेजा गया है, किसी रीज़न की वजह से भेजा है और ये आज मेरा है.
We have here the reigning 200-meter champion, Aryan Kadam. What's good, my bro?
एक दिन
एक दिन Someone should. Bro, I play so bad, bhai. भाई ये क्या लिखा है? पढ़ के दिखा. ये पढ़ के दिखा.
आर्यन कदम is
Right, we've reached the stadium. Probably gonna join the opening ceremony.
In 6th, Sabita Toppo, a great medal is waiting. Look at play number 2, Sneha Rajesh. This is an
the final 100-meter hurdle. And Jyoti Raji and Nandini moving forward. Jyoti Raji catching up. Nandini moves to just the second spot. Leaving.
Yo guys, match update. My warm-up is done and my event is tomorrow. I'm going to give it my all. I'm going to give it my all. I have to. And we're gonna get that PB. Watch me tomorrow. और मस्त गुड फाइनली आ गया ऑल द वे फ्रॉम पुणे गाइस लेट्स गो चल हेडेड टू द स्टेडियम नाउ कैसा लग रहा है आपको बहुत मस्त कितना टाइम बाद आप देख रहे हो मैच
तो
1.5 साल बाद
Welcome to the final show. Hope you're wearing your best clothes. You can't bribe the door on your way to the sky. You look pretty good down here, but you ain't really good. We never learned, we've been here before. Why are we always stuck in running from the bullets? The bullets. We never learned, we've been here before. Why are we always stuck in running from your bullets? The bullets. Just stop your crying, it's a sign of the times. We gotta get away from here. We gotta get away from here. Just stop your crying, it'll be alright. They told me that the end is near. We gotta get away from here.
I could feel the track, I could feel the audience, I could feel the lights, I could feel the hurdles. I've got my personal best by a very teeny tiny bit. What's good?
What's up, man?
How was the race?
Good race, good race.
What did you
And
feel
really
about
proud
it?
of you. You have been doing well, and I hope the India से खतरनाक hurdlers आए, and you're one of them. So I'm really proud of you.
Thank you
Do
so
it,
much,
let's do
bro.
it. And on the content side, let's do a collab.
100% bro, let's do it. कब करना है बताओ?
कभी भी. Tell me.
We've accomplished our goal. On to the next one.